the latest details coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to meet with Delhi blast victims shortly. In fact, details we are getting in of how he is likely to visit LNJP hospital after landing at the Delhi airport from Bhutan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was expected to go directly to LNJP hospital, where he will meet with the injured of the Delhi blast. He will inquire about their well-being and he will also meet with their families. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has landed in Delhi after his Bhutan visit, Prime Minister will be chairing that crucial Cabinet Committee on Security meeting that is to happen at 5:30 p.m. today, where he will review the situation following the blast that shook the entire nation. 10 lives are lost in this blast. But before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to visit LNJP hospital right after. Manjeet Negi joining us with further details on the very same. Over to you, Manjeet.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कल भूटान पहुंचकर जिस तरह से लाल किला ब्लास्ट को लेकर अपनी संवेदना जताई थी, तो उसका सीधा मतलब ये था कि वो जल्द से जल्द उन लोगों तक पहुंचना भी चाहते हैं और इसीलिए भूटान से टेक्निकल एयरपोर्ट पालम पर लैंड होने के बाद सीधे उनका जो कॉन्वॉय है वो एलएनजेपी की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। और यहाँ पर वो जो घायल हैं एलएनजेपी में जो ब्लास्ट लाल किला ब्लास्ट में जो लोग घायल हैं उनका हाल चाल जानेंगे, उनसे मिलेंगे और उसके बाद सीधे अपने आवास पर पहुंचेंगे, जहां पर 5 से 5:30 के बीच में कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन सिक्योरिटी की महत्वपूर्ण बैठक रखी गई है और उसमें आगे सरकार क्या कदम उठाएगी, क्योंकि ये बात पहले से साफ हो चुकी है कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी जारी है और उसके बाद इस दौरान अगर कोई भी एक्ट ऑफ टेरर होगा उसको एक्ट ऑफ वॉर माना जाएगा। तो उम्मीद की जा रही है कि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बैठक होगी, लेकिन उससे पहले प्रधानमंत्री का जिस तरह से उनका एक स्टाइल है इस तरह के चीजों को लेकर, वो सीधे इन चीजों में शामिल होते हैं घटनाक्रम में और इसीलिए कल उन्होंने भूटान पहुंचकर भी संवेदना जताई थी और आप सीधे एयरपोर्ट से वो अपने घर आवास पर नहीं गए, ऑफिस नहीं गए, सीधे एलएनजेपी जहां पर ब्लास्ट के लोग भर्ती हैं वहां पर वो पहुंच रहे हैं।
जी बिल्कुल मंजीत, बने रहिए हमारे साथ एंड दैट वाज द एग्जैक्ट मैसेज दैट प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैड पुट आउट. Those who are responsible for the Delhi blast will not be spared. Listen in to what he said.
आज मैं यहाँ बहुत भारी मन से आया हूँ। कल शाम दिल्ली में हुई भयावह घटना ने सभी के मन को व्यथित कर दिया है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों का दुख समझता हूँ। आज पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। मैं कल रात भर इस घटना की जांच में जुटी सभी एजेंसियों के साथ, सभी महत्वपूर्ण लोगों के साथ संपर्क में था, विचार विमर्श चलता था, जानकारियों के तार जोड़े जा रहे थे। हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। All those responsible will be brought to justice.
Cutting across to my colleague Milan, who has been reporting from LNJP hospital. Milan, you've been talking to a lot of those families who've lost their loved ones, the others who are injured fighting for their lives. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was expected to reach there shortly at this time.
Well, absolutely, Suesha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in India after his Bhutan visit there, official, and now we are at the gate of the LNJP hospital that has been completely cordoned off. I'll ask Ankit to pan and show you that all the kind of security measures have been put in place. We are being told that the Prime Minister is expected to arrive at any moment. The timing is not confirmed, certainly, but all these necessary measures here of security are being taken. Remember that the PM has been continuously monitoring the entire situation wherever he may be, and every detail of the investigation, every little detail of what has been going on has been discussed and is known to the PM himself. Remember that his statements that he has given after the horrific blast that has rocked Delhi have been this kind of emotional for the families who have actually died because of the blast that took place in Delhi. And certainly this after Home Minister Amit Shah visited Lok Nayak Hospital as Home Minister and was one of the first respondents to come here and talk to the injured victims. Remember, there are 25 people who are injured, who are inside the hospital at the moment, and their families, what we've been told and what we saw inside Lok Nayak as well, because I've been covering the hospital and the health department here for quite some time. All the families were facilitated with any kind of support and help that they required in the entire aftermath of the blast. The victims, the families who lost their loved ones, they were given ambulances for free through the district administration. Various other measures were taken to accommodate families of those 25 injured who have been visiting them inside the hospital. All these injured have sustained heavy injuries. 2-3 of them are inside in the ICU and they are all recovering well. But look around this entire road at the moment. For the Prime Minister's arrival, perhaps the security measure has been put in place, and this is something that is a standard protocol as well. We know from sources that after landing in India, the PM is directly, going to be arriving at the LNJP hospital in Delhi, and not very far from here. Remember, the blast took place. Sources inside the LNJP, doctors told me that they heard the noise, the sound of the blast when it occurred near the Red Fort area. So considering the fact that there are security concerns as well in the area, all these kind of measures have been taken before the Prime Minister officially arrives here. We are also awaiting his arrival, but certainly the visit to the hospital is, going to be a very somber one, because obviously the aftermath of the blast is where the families were looking for answers, have been looking for support. These are families that do not belong to a very strong background. They are common men who are, earning their living every day. We covered the families. Some of them are battery rickshaw drivers, some of them were Uber drivers, some of them were Ola drivers, and some of them were just from middle-class families who were in the spot in the area when this horrific incident took place. And of course, that is something that has saddened the entire nation, and a lot of other security measures that have been taken after that. Investigations are happening, but this is something that the PM would have done if he had been here at that point of time also.
Right.
But having said that, after his arrival in Delhi this morning, this day, we've been told that he's directly going to be coming here.
Right.
But we are expecting his arrival any moment now. Suesha?
And certainly puts out a very important message, rather reassurance for all those families. Milan, do stay on.